ikaw ay 18 years old na. Naway pagpatuloy mo ang pagiging mabuting tao. Lumaban sa buhay ng may tapang at abutin ang iyong pangarap.
This feeling isn't too good to be true.
Let us all rise and welcome with a round of applause the star of the night, our lovely debutante, Andrea!
Cutting away, holding away. I wanna stay in this time with you.
Just know that I'm always proud of you and I'm always here for you.
Everything's changing
Cheers to adulthood and all the beautiful moments ahead.
in this moment here with you. I wanna stay. I wanna stay.
Ito yung moment na pinaka-special na milestone ng buhay mo. You're 18th now, and ito rin yung exciting moment ng journey mo.
It's the evening light shining through the curtains. The time before the night.
You are an incredible young woman, and we have no doubt that you will achieve amazing things.
You're sitting on the chair, wrapped inside a bedsheet, playing with your
And as you step into this new chapter, always remember to enjoy every moment and embrace all the opportunities that come your way.
If I wish myself a superpower,
Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ako at ang pamilya na laging handang suportaan at mahalin ka ng walang hanggan.
would just stand still. Wait for me until I find some magic film.
You are now officially Kadiwa. Congratulations on turning 18. May your journey into adulthood be filled with joy, success, and endless happiness with your loving family.
You are that part of me.
Happy birthday and have fun while you're still young. However, while you seek that happiness, sana wag natin makalimutan yung goal natin na bigyang kasiyahan at karangalan ng ating mga magulang.
You, honey, honey. Always and only. Let's lay out in the yard like we're in Central Park.
Wishing you nothing but happiness and amazing memories as you step into this new chapter of your life.
Don't matter where we are, when I'm with you, I feel like I'm already home. When I'm with you.
And continue to respect your nanay and tatay and above all, our Almighty God. Never neglect worshiping our God.
I'm already home. I won't waste no.
Andrea, anak, dalangin ko na patuloy kang maging masiglang may tungkulin at maging mapanalangin mo sa lahat ng oras. Tandaan mo, ang paglilingkod sa Diyos ang magiging sandata mo sa lahat ng pagsubok at suliranin na yun ang pagdaraanan mo sa buhay.
There won't wait not one more minute. I won't wait to feel alive. When I'm with you.
Ano man yung marating mo sa buhay, lagi kang huminang.
When I'm with you.
I want you to know that me, your mom, and Elijah will not be a complete family without you.
When I'm with you, I'm right where I belong.
Ikaw ang inspirasyon ko sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. Lahat ng sakripisyong pinagdaanan ko ay para sa iyo. Dahil ikaw ang pinakamahalagang regalo sa buhay ko.
I'm already home. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm already home.